Caitlin Dacko, and my lesson plan is on the rock cycle, and my lesson plan is going to be the Starburst Rock Cycle Lab. Do any of you guys know what the rock cycle is?
No.
Nobody? No ideas? Any guesses? No?
No.
Okay, well the rock cycle is a series of changes that occur to a rock. So metamorphic rock can become an igneous or a sedimentary rock, and igneous rock can become a sedimentary or metamorphic rock, and so on. I printed out these for you guys. These are going to be your lesson plan for today. And I'm going to walk you guys through it. Is it extra? Alright, so for time's sake, I already cut up our Starburst into sediments. I'm gonna go look at them. I cut them into sediments already. So what I'm going to go ahead and have you guys do is go ahead and grab all of your sediments and start to pack them into a ball to make them a sedimentary rock.
Mix the colors?
Yeah, mix them all together. Those are all the different sediments. You can pick them up.
They're hard from being open.
And then once you guys are done doing that, we are going to take that sedimentary rock that you made, and we're going to turn it into a metamorphic rock by using heat and pressure. So once you guys have it all together, there's an extra ball. Yeah, just like that. Perfect.
I'm getting there.
Perfect. Okay, and then once you guys are done, I went ahead and I put these baggies, and you're going to go ahead and put your sedimentary rock inside this baggie. And then I'm going to go ahead and use yours to demonstrate. You're just going to keep taking it and make it warm and apply heat to make it all melty and gooey, and do that for a while. And again, this is how we're going to turn a sedimentary rock into a metamorphic rock. This is a part of the rock cycle where we use heat and pressure. And then once it's all nice and warm, you guys can go ahead and put it down, and we're going to apply pressure. And I have textbooks for you guys to use, so go ahead and push down on there and make pressure. You ready?
Biology? That's biology.
There's your book. And then flip it in half.
What do I flip in half?
Lift it up, and then flip the rock in half, and then smash it again.
Whoa.
Can we do the opposite?
Flip it, and then smash it one more time. And apply pressure. Yeah.
I have a folded mark. Is that supposed to be? I'm supposed to flatten it some more. Wait, you have to have
and then this is what the final product should look like. And this is your guys' metamorphic rock.
Look at hers.
Ta-da.
Ooh, look how pretty hers is.
Yeah, it looks really cool. And then, for time's sake, I already did this one. We're going to take the metamorphic rock, and we're going to turn it into an igneous rock. And that happens through lava or magma, and that's the heating, cooling. And that can create an obsidian rock, or let me go get the thing one. And then this was the heating part of it. This turned into our igneous rock. So what I did was heated it, and then see the differences between the metamorphic rock and then the igneous rock, because this one was heated and then cooled, and then that one's the metamorphic rock. Okay, and then, oh sorry, I'll go ahead and leave this here. Do you want to put that one on there? There's a lot of room here. Improvising. Okay, so the next part of the project, our lesson plan, is going to be, it's on this worksheet on the last page. And here's another diagram showing you guys. There's a diagram on here showing that you need to apply heat and pressure to create a metamorphic rock. And this is what your rocks should look like on here after you've done that with the Starburst. So I left out colored pencils for you guys, and those colored pencils for every single Starburst color that we used. And now I'm going to go ahead and have you guys draw what you saw when it was a metamorphic rock, a sedimentary rock, and an igneous rock. And then if you guys can remember the steps of how we created that rock. And then once we were done, we filled out the diagram, and this is an example for one of my students. She drew exactly what she saw from the metamorphic rock to igneous to sedimentary. Okay, do you guys have any questions about what we learned today?
What are the sediments that make up the rock?
Great question. Sediments that are inside of sedimentary rock are just broken pieces of rock, and these are actually called clasts, which means broken pieces of rock. So it's just a bunch of different broken pieces of rock that make the sedimentary rock. And that's why you can see all the different layers and everything. Okay, awesome. Thank you for participating, and that was my lesson plan on the rock cycle. Thank you for watching.